For helping me.
I hope that's a good pineapple.
I think it will be. It smells delicious.
This part tastes good.
Uncle. Welcome to today's vlog. Welcome to today's vlog where I designed this salad based around one thing. Let me show you what it is. Do you guys remember when we were in Florida and we stopped by the cutest fruit stand? We left the fruit stand and I said, Joel, run back in and grab some dressings for me. And so he came out with this Florida orange dressing. And when he came out with it at first, I turned my nose up and I was like, what am I gonna make with this? I don't know. We got home and I was like, okay, we need some sort of citrusy salad because I want to eat this because it was not cheap. And, you know, I was hoping that it was going to be good. This dressing. Was it worth it? Yeah, it was worth it. Did I order it from Florida and pay a lot in shipping because it was worth it? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. This is now the 4th time of me making this. You all done eating?
Are you all done being a pain in the butt?
Okay,
Seriously?
ready?
She's like, you're making food without me.
Okay, how cute is this? Now that I have the salad perfected, I can tell you how to make it. We're going to start with drained rice. I'm doing 2 cups. I'm going to add in the juice of 2 to 3 limes. I zested one of them, and green onions. I have to get like every last bit of it. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna do 1 cup of chicken broth.
Can I move this?
You can go downstairs. And then I'm gonna do 2 cans of coconut milk.
Stuff's gnarly. Look at it. It tastes so good.
It's because it's been in the cold storage too, so it's like.
Oh, I see. That's why.
I'm going to bring that to a boil, and as soon as it comes to a boil, I'll turn it down to low, put the lid on, and let it simmer until all the liquid is gone. And I'm saying liquid instead of fluid for all of you that didn't enjoy when I said fluid
Moist.
in my last video. While the rice is cooking, you're going to chop up a thing of cilantro. I cut fresh pineapple into really small chunks. And then I also got a rotisserie chicken and I shredded it and put it in here, which we will use later. I'm in a daze, hold on. Felt good and I didn't want to come out of it. While I'm waiting for my rice, I do have a discount code for these towels. They're literally the best towels. I don't know what the heck they're made out of, but they're absorbent. They are so soft and they come in so many different patterns. And I know Mother's Day is coming up, so I was like, oh, I'm going to remind them of my discount code because for Mother's Day, this would be the perfect gift. The towels. The rice is done cooking. I took a small taste of it. It is the best. It is so good. Okay, so I'm going to fold in my cilantro. I bet you could cook it in with it and it would be fine, but I'm just going to do it this way. Stir this in. It is so good. When I tell you this is the best rice, it is the best rice.
That's all that best. Right?
I know, it is literally delicious. To assemble my salad, I'm going to start with the rice, and I'm gonna lay just a bit of that down. Just a generous amount. I forgot to mention the carrots. I shredded? I used the peeler. I used the peeler and I peeled the carrots. Okay. The pineapple is so fresh and good. I love pineapple. I use plenty of it. It's always exciting to see what you're gonna get when you open an avocado. It's pretty good. I'm going to top it with some avocado. Doesn't that look so colorful and fresh? Now for the dressing, if you cannot get your hands on this, then maybe Google like an orange balsamic dressing or some sort of a citrusy dressing, or this would honestly be so good with balsamic vinegar. Like that would be really good too. However, to make this go a little further, that was really good, I forgot to buy an orange at the grocery store, but I juiced an orange and I added that to the mixture, and it made it that much more fresh and that much, well, it like made it like go further, you know what I mean? I will, however, link the most amazing dressing in the description for you, along with everything that you saw in the video. I will have linked down there. I'm going to top this with the dressing. Oh my gosh. It's to die for. My kids love it. Okay, that's everything, you guys. That is my salad. If you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to see other cooking recipes, I will have my food playlist listed in the description as well. Bye, guys. Okay, we are oohing and eyeing over this salad. And I forgot to tell you that if you don't have the dressing, you don't want to make one, pour straight orange juice, like just peel or squeeze a fresh orange over your salad, and that would be my second favorite. The dressing itself, number one, and then just plain orange juice over the top.
Amazing. Or both of them.
Well, you can't do a film, or sorry, Joe. Is that your throat, Olivia?
This lady.
Joel had picked up dressings and he came out. What was that? We're going to start.
Okay, there you go. Oh, that was filming the entire way.
Let's make an Amazon order. To assemble your salad, I'm going to start with lettuce. My gosh, what did I just say?